Boy, you fill my head with pieces of a song I can't get out. Can I be close to you? Can I be close to you? Can I be close to you? Can I be close to you?
Friends, we have come today at the invitation of Isabella Allman and Taylor Sarks to share in the joy of their wedding.
Isabella, when we started dating 4 years ago, I remember thinking how lucky I was and how this was too good to be true. I feel that way even more today. I am so thankful God brought you into my life. You have been my best friend, biggest supporter, and so much more. Thank you for being what you are to me. I promise to love you, to care for you, and to seek with you God's will for our lives as we follow Him together.
Taylor, today is 4 years together. 4 years ago, God brought you into my life when I least expected it. Now we stand here as husband and wife. I couldn't be more proud of who you are or who you aspire to be. You amaze me each and every day. You are my biggest blessing in life. You have stood by me at my best, but most importantly, you have stood by me at my worst. You have shown me true love, patience, and forgiveness, and for that I thank you. You are my rock, you are my biggest encourager, you are everything I need, and in this moment I know all of my prayers are answered and my dreams have come true. I praise God for you, for all of your love and your constant friendship. I promise you my deepest love, my fullest devotion, and my tenderest care through the pressures of the present and the uncertainties of the future. I promise to encourage you in life, to pray for you each day, to laugh and cry with you, to grow in mind and in spirit through Christ, to always be open and honest, and to cherish you and the family we will share together. This decision to commit my life to you and share a family with you is one I make happily, with full confidence and secure knowledge that you will be my constant friend, my faithful partner in life, and my one true love. I love you.
I therefore pronounce that you are husband and wife. May God bless you and keep you and give you His peace. What God has joined together, let not man separate. Taylor, you may kiss your bride. Dear friends, it is my honor to be the first to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Taylor Sarks.
And I've known you since the dawn of time, with twin flames burning bright, and I can't believe that I finally found you here, 'cause nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun, lay here forever, you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. My first day on earth, I fell into your eyes. Look at how our galaxies collide.